A few years ago, my oldest daughter had to take a DNA test for school just to figure out ancestry. During the DNA test, she came to me very, very sad because apparently me and her were not related. I was like, huh? When she told me this, I had to keep a straight face because the immediate shock was just wild. Then I decided to go with her to get a paternity test done. When we got the paternity test done, it was also concluded that I was not her father. At this point, I was shocked. I've had 4 kids with my wife, and she was the oldest, and I needed to see how far this rabbit hole went. I told her to not let her mother know that we know this information, and then I went to my next oldest child. Not mine. I went to the one below that. Not mine. And then I decided to stop there because the youngest child is so young that this may directly affect them, and they don't really understand what's going on anyway. So I didn't even want to go into that rabbit hole, but when I got the information, I immediately was like, let me go talk to my wife about this. So, like always, she didn't take responsibility or any type of accountability, and she said, how are you going to believe your wife over these tests? I was like, are you serious? Are you like, for real? Like, is this really where you're gonna go with this? Then she starts crying profusely and saying it was only one time, I didn't mean to do it. And I was like, it was only one time? Hey. And then I showed her that each one of the children aren't mine, with the exception of the youngest, as so I think. That's when it dawned on me that it was one time, multiple times, and then when we looked, each one of the children had different baby fathers, and somehow that made it even worse, because it wasn't just one person you was cheating on me with. This is a habitual thing with multiple different people that you probably don't know about, and I'm taking care of their kids. They're my kids. I've raised each and every one of them from a super young age, and they stood by me through this whole situation. But to think that she's not who she says she was, because up until that situation, I thought we had a great marriage. I thought we had a great life. I thought everything was going good. I thought that we were building together and already have built together. She is a stay-at-home mom that works on things that she wants to do. She takes care of the kids. She cooks. She cleans. She does everything that's needed inside of the relationship with me. Yet she didn't tell me that she wanted to go outside of the marriage. She didn't tell me that she wanted to do anything. Anyway, after finding out the information and getting her side of the story, I let her know I would need a couple of space. So I had rented a hotel for a couple of days, and I stayed in it. I stayed away, and it was all right. It was good, but I really missed my kids, and I wanted to see them. So after a couple of days, I was back inside of the house, but I'm not even gonna lie, I didn't say anything to my wife. I didn't speak to her. She would try to talk to me and I would look away. I would take care of the kids. I would grab the kids, take them to the mall, do different things with them, and everything was just, I was just trying to figure things out. I was just trying to see how I could make our relationship work, or see if I need to separate and just take the kids myself. Like, I didn't know what to do, if I had any like legal rights to these individuals. Yeah, my name's on the birth certificate, but I'm not biologically theirs. I just wanted to figure things out, but I didn't even get that chance, because 6 days ago she decided, other than taking any type of responsibility, to have a hangout session with the chandelier. And I'm so happy I have my kids, because I just don't know what I would like. It's just baffling to me, because the whole time, even with evidence, she just kept denying, and I don't know if I did something wrong. I don't know if I was never supposed to know in the first place. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I know I didn't want this to happen. I didn't want to not have my kids not to have their
tèmi ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́gbọ́n yẹn ṣe rí táìtù yẹn ẹ rí i pé mo ti ṣe táìtù yẹn rí tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ò tí ì sọ one thing àmọ́ fídíò yìí ó ká mi lára ó bà mí nú jẹ́ ó dùn mí lórí fídíò yẹn tí mo ṣe ń jọ yẹn tí mo ní tó bá fẹ́ bí yẹn ṣe recognize obìnrin tó cheat èyí tá a mú wá fún yín that is tẹ́yọjọ́ ń gbé ni o obìnrin tẹ́yọjọ́ ń gbé bákan náà làwọn kan wọ́n ti ìgbà tí mo ṣe fídíò yẹn ni àwọn bíi méjì kan béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi wọ́n ní Ajia tó bá jẹ́ pé ọkùnrin tó ń gbé ní ọ̀nà jíjìn ńkọ́ ká ní báwọn ṣe wà ń lo òyìnbó kí àwọn ọmọ wà ní Nàìjíríà àbí kí àwọn wọn wà ní any other country àwọn ò sí pẹ̀lú ìyàwó wọn a dẹ̀ rí bí àwọn ṣe ń struggle tó yẹ jẹ́ pé èèyàn kan lè ṣiṣẹ́ mẹ́rin kò sórun láti jẹ́ kí ìyàwó rí jẹ kó rí mu mímọ̀ ìyàwó ni táwọn ṣe lọ sílùú òyìnbó ó fọwọ́ sí bẹ̀ ṣáwọn lè wá wà bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn ò níyàwó àwọn ò ṣe ṣìná àwọn ń ṣiṣẹ́ kìràkìtà kí ìyàwó wọn lè jẹ good kí ọmọ wọn lè bá wà okay kí ìyàwó kó wá mọ gbé oúnjẹ wọn fún olóńgbò jẹ is it a good thing kí wọ́n sọ pé torí pé o wà lonely o dẹ̀ fọwọ́ sí nígbà tí wọ́n lọ o dẹ̀ ń pe ọkọ bí pé innocent wọ́n ní báwo làwọn ṣe fẹ́ recognize irú obìnrin bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀dọ̀ kí ó ṣe mí ní bákan láti release irú fídíò bẹ́yẹn mo wá fẹ́ sọ kinní kan nísìn tẹ́fìlì bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa identify irú obìnrin tó ń yàlè tẹ́ bá ti tó ń dú ẹlòmíì mi sọ pé yàlè because pé ṣe gbogbo àwọn àlè yíyàn ni wọ́n ń dóko so yẹ yín but èyí tá à ń sọ sí àwọn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti lọ gbóúnjẹ yín gangan wọ́n ti lọ gbé fẹ́ lómi olómi ti ṣe kí ni ó ti ṣe ṣùkúṣùkú ó ti tó wọn dáadáa torí fídíò yìí máa yìí ó ń dùn mí ẹ wò fa ó dẹ̀ nífẹ̀ẹ́ àwọn ọmọ yẹn so bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ò mọ mí ní ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ Canadian kìíní yẹn sí ó kì í ṣe pé ọkùnrin yẹn padà parẹ́ ṣá ok ẹ̀yin tèmi àmọ́ èyí tí mo fẹ́ sọ yìí nsìn o ní láti make sure pé ìyàwó rẹ ò ní infections ṣé ìyàwó rẹ ò kí ń yún bí fídíò tí mo ṣe ń jọ̀wọ́ ẹ lọ wò yeast infection any kind of infection bí ó ti kó látara carelessness ṣé ìyàwó rẹ ò ní infection yẹn ṣé kìí ṣe pé ìwọ àti ìyàwó rẹ ẹ máa ń ṣe ìbálòpọ̀ communications ẹ máa ń ṣe sex communication ṣé ẹ kìí ṣe sex communication because ẹ bá ṣe sex communication tí ẹ ti sọ̀rọ̀ débẹ̀ tí oníkíyàwó rẹ fi ọwọ́ sí ojú abẹ́ rẹ̀ títí tó mi fi jáde ṣé wo ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá yẹ pé ìyàwó rẹ ò ní infection tí ìyàwó rẹ dẹ̀ kì í ṣe masturbation lójú ẹ̀ tó dẹ̀ claim pé òun innocent lòun òun máa ń gbàdúrà òun máa ń gbàwẹ̀ church lòun máa ń lọ everyday wá àti tó ti lọ 5 years ago àdúrà ni òun mọ̀ kan tó ń jẹ́ masturbation òun dẹ̀ ní infection tó bá dé mo ti sọ́nà bẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ bí ara sí ojú vulva ó gbọ́dọ̀ dúdú ni mi ò sọ pé dúdú bíi charcoal ó máa wà darkish kò ní pọ́n abẹ́ tí wọ́n bá ń gbogbo ló máa pọ́n either kó reddish or kó pink either kó reddish àbí kó pink you understand kò ní darkish èyí tó bá darkish ni àwọn tó jẹ́ pé yes bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lọ nígbà mìíràn lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìgbà mìíràn kódà kìí ṣe pé kábẹ́ tight àìmọye ògùn tight you understand torí fídíò yìí ń bí mi nínú obìnrin my gender kai so tí wọ́n bá wá dé tó fẹ́ ṣe ìbálòpọ̀ tó ó ti di pé bàbá ti z ó ti z bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn náà you understand ó fẹ́ gbé nǹkan bọnú nǹkan tó wá open ẹ̀ báyìí ó la gbogbo làlà kúkú làlà ó la gbogbo gàǹgà sùà jẹ́ kó rí ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé tó bá ti sight ẹ̀ báyìí ṣé pinkish ni ṣé reddish ni ṣé darkish meanwhile ó ti mọ colour ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ ti jọjọ gbé ó yẹ kó lè mọ nǹkan tí mò ń sọ yìí ó yẹ kó lè mọ when the colour is not colouring ó yẹ kó lè mọ when the colour is disfiguring ó yẹ kó lè mọ so ó yẹ kó lè mọ kó tó gbé nǹkan bọnú nǹkan so tí àwọn obìnrin bá sọ wípé àwọn wà truthful ẹ jẹ́ ká bá wọn ní truthfulness òun lèyí táwa ń sọ yìí this is painful so tó bá di pé wá dọ́dọ̀ ìyàwó ẹ̀ tó fẹ́ gbé nǹkan bọnú nǹkan tó realize pé something is discoloring kò ṣe colour tó expect lélẹ̀ ó mọ colour ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ náà kò ṣe colour yìí ni colour yìí ó ti já ju bó ṣe expect lọ ọmọ ìyá mi kí ni wàá ṣe wàá béèrè question ni pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ náà jẹ́ kí wọ́n prove ara wọn beyond reasonable doubt ẹ má lẹ̀ lọ straight pé last time tí mo wá tí mi àti ẹ wà Nàìjíríà tí mi ò fọ́ kàn for the past tí mi ò fọ́ kàn fún 5 days mo mọ bí arena yìí ṣe rí náà báwo ni arena yìí ṣe wá rí nsìn ọmọ ìyá mi láhùn be wise. This is the beginning of wisdom. Ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ, ẹ̀yin obìnrin ẹ ṣọ́ra, ẹ dákun ẹ ṣọ́ra, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ ṣọ́ra. Kí ni gbogbo orí eléyìí? Àánú ọkùnrin yìí mọ̀ ṣe mí o. Ẹ̀yin obìnrin yìí mọ̀ ṣe mí o. Ẹ̀ tèmi ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Fún ìwọ ọkùnrin alálùbáríkà, ìwọ ọkùnrin tó fẹ́ débẹ̀, tó fẹ́ enjoy ara rẹ̀, tó fẹ́ mọ̀ tàtẹ̀ kanlẹ̀, tó fẹ́ mọ̀ tàtẹ̀ kẹ́ńkẹ́ńkẹ́ń, tó fẹ́ mọ̀ ní kíní gàǹgásùà. Bóyá hypertension ló ń ṣe ẹ́ o, bóyá diabetes ló ń ṣe ẹ́, prostate enlargement, kí ló ń ṣe ẹ́? Ìwọ contact on pump by 2. Yes, àti pé o fẹ́ gbé débẹ̀, o fẹ́ mọ̀ wà gangasious lórí 07015100651. Ire o, ṣé o ní infections? Tọ́jú ara ẹ o.